Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to use the Blackhole Splitter app. Now this tutorial will be very straightforward and easy, so let's get straight into it. Now this tutorial will be available on Android and iOS, so this app works with both devices. Now the first thing that you have to do is go on the App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Blackhole Splitter. Now once you have found the Blackhole Splitter app, just click on install and then open it. Now once you open it, you will find this interface that looks a bit confusing. So you just have to go onto any platform of videos like YouTube, for example. I will go to share and copy link, or I can also go, for example, to TikTok if I want to copy the link of a TikTok video. So here I'll go to share and then copy link. Now once you have copied the link, go to Blackhole Splitter, click on the black hole in the middle of the screen and then allow paste. Wait for it to be loaded for a few seconds and then it will automatically start downloading the video that you have copied the link from. As you can see here, I have 0% cached, 0.1 megabytes out of 136. That means that the video is currently being downloaded. So that's it guys, that's how easy it gets. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.